Hi, I'm Robert Benjamin, Director of Managed Services with Networks Unlimited. I'm here today to talk to you about Answer It. Answer It is our remote support help desk for our customers and all of their users that are having any kind of technical issue. So the first benefit is we have two different ways to price the service. Number one is it can be done dedicated. The reason this is a really big benefit is we charge per user and it's an unlimited amount of support. Our customers really like that, especially if they know they need a lot of IT support. Number two, we also offer it as a sort of time and materials, pay as you go. So you only pay for what you use, and the best part of that is we break the time element down to 15 minutes of support rather than the standard industry hour. So it can be much less expensive that way. If in a given month the customer doesn't need any support, they won't get a bill. And those customers like that. The second benefit is that it is on demand and remote, meaning that as a user runs into a problem, the quicker we can get them help and get them back working, our customers really appreciate that. So by being on demand and remote, we don't have to get in a car and drive out, do any of that. We have all the tools to remote in. As long as we can, if that computer's still connected to a network and the internet, we can usually get it connected, get it fixed. The final benefit is our entire Answer It help desk team is located right here in Grand Junction, and they work for Networks Unlimited. So number one, customers get an opportunity to actually meet the people they talk to, and they say they really like that. And they can develop a relationship with, I trust them to work on my computer. That's important. The other part is that they're integrated into our teams, such that if it's an issue our help desk can't fix, they know exactly who to go talk to within Networks Unlimited to get the answer for the customer. So with all that said, if you have any other questions about our Answer It service or the pricing, please reach out to me, Rob Benjamin, Director of Managed Services. You can always reach out to your account manager or your managed service administrator. Thanks.